This is lesson 117, number 28. It wants me to show the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side. And so I kind of fixed up the right-hand side a little bit. I know that cosine over sine is cotangent, and I know that's 1 over sine. And then I even went that far. I don't know. I always just do this so that if something happens along the way, I might recognize, and I might be like, oh yeah, I'm almost there. Okay, so nothing really obvious. There was nothing really obvious for me to do, so I kind of decided I wanted to not have this fraction here, because I mean the answer doesn't really have a fraction. So what I did is I did that common denominator thing on the top and on the bottom. So like on the top I just well, I wanted there to be a common denominator on the top, and it turned out I didn't really have to try too hard, because I just rewrote cosecant as 1 over sine x and then cotangent as cosine over sine. So I got my common denominator kind of easily just by trading those things out, because that's really what I kind of wanted to do, is get these two together, like those two, get them on a common denominator, and get the bottom one on a common denominator, and then take the bottom one and, you know, flip it upside down. Somehow hope it would cancel. Kind of working blindly here, but so this thing kind of worked out for me. And then down here I wasn't sure if I traded out tangent for sine over cosine, but then sine, I didn't really want to put that as 1 over cosecant, because that didn't look like it would get me anywhere, so I left it alone for a minute. Okay, so this top part turned into, see how I just wrote it as I just wrote this top part over one denominator, and then here's my big old fraction bar. And then the bottom part, I decided I couldn't think of anything else, so I just decided to multiply the top and bottom of this by cosine x. So that's how I got sine x plus sine x cosine x over cosine x. I got me a common denominator down here, because I really want to do that thing where I flip the bottom one up and see if something beautiful happens for me, and it actually did. So here I am right here, and I noticed when I flipped this bottom one up, the cosine was on the top and the sine was on the bottom. I thought it was tangent. It wasn't. It's cotangent, right? When cosine's on the top, it's cotangent. So I wrote these as cotangent, and that left me with 1 plus cosine over this little mess. But this little mess was nice because I can factor out sine. So then that canceled out, and then I got all super happy. And then 1 over sine is cosecant, right? Because when that canceled out, there's just a 1. And then that's it, because that's what they wanted, cotangent x. Okay, and that's it.